Hello, good morning students. Now in this video lecture we are going to understand the IUPAC nomenclature of alkene. So let us have a look over it, students. This is the IUPAC nomenclature of alkene. So dear students, how can you be able to write the IUPAC nomenclature? So first of all, what we will do, we will do the numbering. Okay, numbering. And then we will write the name of prefix, dear student, name of prefix. Okay, and after that what we can write, student, after the name of prefix we need to write the name of word root. Okay, name of word root. After that, student, name of primary suffix. Okay, name of primary suffix, name of primary suffix. And lastly we will write name of secondary suffix, name of what, student? Secondary suffix. So this is our formula, students. We have to follow this formula to do the naming of the compound, student. So we need to do the numbering. Okay, first of all numbering, then name of prefix, name of word root, name of primary suffix, name of secondary suffix, right? So dear students, okay, dear students, if you talk about the name of prefix, okay, so how can you be able to do the name of prefix? Like that, we are having CH3 group, this will be named as methyl. If we are having C2H5 group, this is name is what is ethyl. If we are having F group, that is what is named as fluoro. If that is Cl is there, that is named as chloro. If Br is there, student, Br, so it will be, that is what is known as, student, bromo, right? Word root, how can you define the word root, students? Here you can come out to be word root. So if see 1 carbon is there, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon, 6 carbon, then 7 carbon, then 8 carbon, then 9 carbon, then 10 carbon. So what would be there, student? This is the meth, okay, this is the eth, this is the prop, this is the bute, this is the pent, okay, this is the hex, this is hept, okay, this is oct, okay, this is the non, okay, and this is the dec. A primary suffix, if you talk about, that is double bond will be there, in will be there, student. Secondary suffix, there will be, if suppose this is COOH, this is what is named as oic acid, right? If there is OH is there, this is OL, OL. If there is CHO, so that is AL. If C double bond O, like that, so this is on. So this is what is the IUPAC name, students. Okay, so that is what numbering preference we have to give to the secondary suffix, then primary suffix, then prefix, like that we will have to do. Let us have a look, students. That is first compound I am taking, and I am having the compound like that, students. Okay, and here is double bond is there, right? So or this compound also you can write, student, CH2, right? Here is, that is double bond CH, here is CH2, and here is CH3. So from which direction we can start the numbering, student? Where a double bond is there, we have to give the preference. So here is 1, this is 2, this is 4 or 3, and this is 4. Similarly, double bond is getting preference 1, 2, 3, and 4. To write the name, student, how can you be able to write? So first of all, we formula what they are saying, name of prefix, there is no prefix, so we'll start from name of word root. 4 carbon is there, meth, eth, prop, bute, okay, bute, and then first position 1 in, bute 1 in. Or you can say, if the double bond is on first position, you can write that is butene. Here is also the same compound is there, butene. Let us have a next question, students. Next question is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is you can put out to be, here is the double bond, okay. So if you are putting the double bond there, students, So what you will be able to, how can you be able to write the name, dear student? So let us have a look, students, to write the name of this compound. If you are doing the numbering here and 1 2, okay, and then from here 1 2 3, so double bond is getting from this side third position, from this side that is second position. So which will be the correct, student? That is the right side numbering will be the correct, student. Okay, so what I am going to do, students, I am going to do, that is this numbering we are following. Okay, so if you are following this numbering 1 2, this is 3, this is 4, okay, student, and this is, if you are talking about this, student, this is the 5. Okay, or this compound can also be written like that, student, CH3, then it is CH2, then it is CH, here will be double bond, here is also CH, and here is CH3. Okay, so same compound is there 1 2 3 4 5. So there is no prefix, student, so we will start from the word root. 5 carbon means that is pent. Okay, and after pent what we can do, student, 5 carbon is pent, and then if 5 carbon is pent, student, and then what we can do, that is primary suffix, so pent 2 in. Okay, pent 2 in, and it is also pent 2 in. This is our IUPAC name. Next one, if you are going to understand, that is IUPAC of the next set of the compound, we are taking another compound, student. What is the another compound? You can see this is there. We are taking the another compound. Here is the methyl group is there, dear student. Here is this one. Okay, so this compound can also be, we can write here, student, that is CH3, right? Then it will come to be, that is CH. Okay, then here will be double bond. Okay, then here is CH, here will be what, CH, here will be CH3, and that is also CH3. So which side we can start numbering, student? If you are starting numbering from the right side, so if you are doing numbering from the right side, this is 1 2 3 third. From here if you are doing 1 2, so correct numbering is 1 2 3 4 5, because we have to give preference to the primary suffix, dear student. We have to give the preference to the primary suffix. So these are the not correct, right, student? So dear student, let us do the naming of this. So 4 position, what is there, student? Methyl, 4 methyl. Okay, pent, 4 methyl pent, and that is 2 in, 4 methyl pent 2 in. Same will be there here. You can do 1 2 3, okay, 4 5. So this is also 4 methyl. Okay, student, 4 methyl pent 2 in, pent 2 in. This is also correct only. Now let us have the next set, next compound, student. How can you be able to, okay, write the name of the another compound? If I am taking let us have a look. We are going to practice out more and more question. So here is, we are putting the CH3 group, student. So which direction you can do numbering? From here if you are doing 1 2 3, from here you see 1 2 3, so here the prefix is also coming and double bond is also coming on the same position. So we have to start the numbering from the left, right, student? So I am erasing this, this is not correct. Okay, so we are following from this 1 2 3 4, and this is the 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4, this is 4, dear student, 4, this is 5, this is 6. Okay, so what can be right, student? On the second position are 2 methyl, this is the 2 methyl hex 3 in, 2 methyl hex 3 in. This is our IUPAC name of the compound, student, 2 methyl hex 3 in. Now let us have a look over next one question, student. If suppose this is the compound, student, okay, here is the double bond, you can start the numbering from any side, 1 2 3 4. Okay, if you are doing the name of this compound, what will be there is meth eth prop bute. Okay, bute, if the double bond is 2 time is coming, so bute become buta, buta 1 comma 3. buta 1 comma 3, it will be diene student, buta 1 comma 3 diene. Okay, next one. Okay, if suppose I am writing this compound student, okay, here is also, so you can put out to be here double bond, here is also double bond, and here is the this. Let us have the numbering here. 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, this is 5, 6 and 7. So how can you be able to write the name of this compound student? This is the 3-methyl, this is the 3-methyl, right student? And then word root will come, how much student? Hept. Okay, hept, and it will be, that is 1, okay student, comma 5, okay, diene. Okay, and when the 2 times double bond is there, so that is have to become hepta, 3-methyl hepta 1,5-diene. This is our required answer students. Let us have a look over the next problem students, next IUPAC name. Okay, so how can you be able to write the name of this compound, dear students? If suppose the similar compounds are there, and let us have a look student, better we can go for the cyclic compound student, then we will try to go for the cis and trans. Okay, so how can you be able to write the cyclic alkene compound and the other compound? So let us have a example. This is the one compound is there students, this, and again this compound is there, dear students, this is the compound name, and here is the double bond is also there. There is no oxygen, only the double bond is there. So dear students, how can you be able to write the name? From where we can start the numbering? So when we start the numbering, we have to consider the double bond in the chain. So we have to do numbering from here. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Then here you see 1, 2 carbon is there, but here 1, 2, 3. So we will come down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. Okay, so how can you be able to rate name student? This group you see ethyl group, this is also ethyl group. So firstly we'll write the name, that is 2 comma 4. Okay, this is the diethyl, 2 comma 4 diethyl, and that will be, that is hept. Okay, and on first position heptene, 2 comma 4 diethyl heptene. Now let us have the cyclic compound students. Suppose we are having the compound like that. Okay, and here is the ring. Okay, so it is the cyclo word will be there, so cyclo, then word root hex. Okay, and then we will be there student in, cyclohexane. If suppose I am having that is another compound here student, I am taking this compound, right? So here is the compound name is there. So where we can do the numbering students, where we can do the numbering, we have to start the numbering from here. Okay, so 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so to write the name of student, this one 3-methyl, okay, 3-methyl, okay, cyclo, 3-methyl cyclo pent, 3-methyl cyclo pent in. Okay, on first position is there in, so no need to mention the location. If suppose one more compound I am writing student, this one, see here is the Br is there student, and this is the compound like. So how can we write this student? So firstly, that is on the, if you are doing the name students, how can you be do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or the same compound I am doing. Some students are saying that is, sir, this numbering, how can you do the numbering like that, this order? So lowest sum rule we have to follow student, lowest sum rule. Okay, suppose if you are doing numbering like that, here you are starting 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, add out. Okay, on the 7 position what is their prefix, then 1 position, then 3 position, then 5 position, add out how much is there. Here you see student, 3rd position, then 2 position, then 7 position, and then 5 position. These are the bonding are there. Add which is coming greater. Okay, 8, 11, 5, 16. Here see 5, 10. This is coming 17. So 17 is wrong. This is the correct. Okay. So let us have a look how to can you be able to write the name student. So it will be that is 7 bromo. Sorry students, it's something is. This is the 7 bromo. Name will be what student? 7 bromo. Okay. Next after 7 bromo, what we can write student? Cyclo. Okay. Cyclo, and then we'll hept, cyclo, hept, and hept become hepta because so many times are in are there. 1, 3, 5. Cyclo, 7 bromo, hepta, 1, 3, 5, triene. This is our compound. Okay students, this is the name. Okay, now let us have a look over the next type of the compounds name student, where the we have to understand the cis and trans type. Okay, so if you want to know the cis and trans type of alkene, so how can you be able to name student? So here you see one compound is there like that. Okay, so here is the double bond is there, here is the hydrogen, here is the hydrogen. So this is the, if you want to know 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, right student? So if you see this compound also can be written like that students. How can you be how can you write this compound can be written like that? Okay, this way. Okay, so here we can put out to be the double bond. So see the methyl group and here methyl group are different side. Okay, the similar group are different side. You can see here, that is what you will find, that is here is the methyl group and here is the methyl group, both are the different sides. So this will come to be trans. Okay, pent, trans pent 2 in. But here you see methyl group and this group are coming to be same side. So here numbering firstly is 1, 2, 3, this is 4, 5. Okay, and if you see here is the 4, 5 is there, na? Here is the this is the hydrogen student, not the group. So you see similar group are same side. If you are putting the hydrogen will be here and hydrogen will be here, so it will be that is what student? Cis. Okay, pent 2 in, sense pent 2 in. So this way we write the name of the cis and trans students, that you have to practice a lot and then you will be able to understand the name of the compound here students, right? So I hope this video will be helpful to you to understand. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel students. Thank you.